How to download Minecraft on PC. So first step, you simply need to search here Minecraft trial and hit enter. So you need to open the first website. Once you are here, scroll down and here you can see Microsoft Java Edition. So I'm going to select for Windows 10 and 11. So click here and it will start downloading. So you need to wait for a few seconds here, and after that it is ready to install. So once it is installed, click on this folder and you simply need to drag that onto your desktop. So I'm going to copy that and move on to the desktop, and here you need to click on open and click on I wait, and then you simply need to click on install. So this is the process that you need to follow. I hope you like this video. Thank you.